Welcome to our channel Clearexplanation of Maths. If you are the first viewer of my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications of my channel.
Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today our topic is number line representation of rational numbers. First, what is number line representation? See, yes, this is a line. We are dividing this line into equal parts and represent all the numbers on this line. This is called number line. Okay. For natural numbers, we are talking about natural numbers. How do you represent these natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this we are representing for natural numbers. And next for whole numbers. For whole numbers, 0 is added into these natural numbers. So, see, observe carefully. Here in the number line, we are writing all the numbers in the ascending order. Okay, first 1 is and next 2, 3, 4 like that we are writing. All are small to big. Ascending in ascending order we are writing. And 0 we have to place on the number line. How? Here we place 0 because 0 is smaller than the 1. So, before 1 we write 0. And for integers, next for integers, how you represent number line? In integers, there are negative integers, small positive integers and 0 is also there. So first 0 you write in the middle of the number line and at the right side of the number line all the positive integers means 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and on the left side of the number line all the negative integers we have to write. Why? Because why? Minus 1 is less than the 0 and minus 2 is less than minus 1 and minus 3 is less than minus 2. Okay, you observe all the numbers we are writing on the number line in ascending order only. Small to big only we are writing. Okay, and for rational numbers, how do you represent rational numbers? Whether it is bigger than the integers or smaller than the integer, how you know? You don't know. So first, these rational numbers are nothing but fractions. Okay, means numerator part is there and denominator part is there. In two cases, you can represent these rational numbers. Two cases. What are the two cases? If the numerator is greater than the d and if the numerator is less than the denominator. The numerator is smaller than the denominator, you can represent in easy way. The numerator is greater than the denominator, you can represent in another way. Okay, first we see this case. Numerator is less than the denominator. See, I'm representing this rational numbers on the number line with examples. First I am taking which part numerator is less than the denominator. So take an example of numerator is denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. I am taking example as 1 by 2. See, here 1 is less than 2. Okay. So numerator is less than the denominator. In this case, how do you represent this rational numbers on the number line? This is very easy. When numerator is less than the denominator, then the number, any number, then that number, if it is a positive number, then that is in between 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1. Then that number is in between 0 and 1. If it is positive number. Okay. If it is negative number, take minus 1 by 2. If it is negative number, then it is in between minus 1 and 0. Okay. Just three things you have to remember. First one, if numerator value is less than the denominator, Then if it is the negative, if it is the positive number, then that number is in between 0 and 1. If it is a negative number, then that number is in between the -1 and 0. See this example, 1 by 2 and -1 by 2, how to represent on the number line. I am drawing the number line which is having what I told. This number is in between 0 and 1 I told. Okay. So I am taking the number line and here I am writing only 0, 1, -1. Okay. This number I divided. Only I have taken three numbers only, -1, 0 and 1. What I said? This number is in between 0 and 1. So this number is having numerator part and denominator part. Okay. This denominator tells us how many times to divide this number line in between the 0 and 1. Okay. What is the denominator value? Denominator value is 2. So you can divide this number line, you can divide this number line in between the 0 and 1 into two equal parts. Two equal parts means you put just one mark. Okay. This is one part and this is another part. We are dividing in between 0 and 1. The number line we are dividing into how many parts? Denominator parts. How much the denominator value? You have to divide that parts. That many parts. Okay. 2. Value of the denominator is 2. So you are dividing this number line into two parts. And next, the numerator. What is the numerator value? Numerator value is 1. So after the first part, you represent this number. Okay. After the first part, you represent this number 1 by 2. This is the representation of number line of rational numbers. Okay. And next, coming to the -1 by 2, negative number. This is also same. If it is a negative number, you just come to the left side of the 0. Okay. Take this denominator. What is the denominator value? 2 is the denominator value. So you divide -1 and 0. You divide this number line into two equal parts. This is one part and this is another part. What is the value of numerator? No need to bother about the negative sign. What is the numerator value? That is 1. So after one part, you represent this rational number. You represent this rational number. That is -1 by 2 is representing in this number line here. Okay, if you see another example, you can clarify how to represent this on number line. I am taking another example, which is n is less than d, means numerator is less than denominator. I am taking example 3 by 4. Okay, here also this numerator is less than the denominator. So I am drawing what I said. If the numerator is less than the denominator, then the number should be 0 and 1. If it is positive number, okay, then the number should be 0 and 1. This is a positive number, so this number definitely lies in between 0 and 1. So I am drawing number line 0, 1. Here I am placing -1. Okay. 3 by 4. Where it is represented? See. What I said. How many parts you have to divide this number line in between the 0 and 1? How many parts? That will says the denominator value. What is the denominator value? The denominator value is 4. So you have to divide this part of the number line into 4 equal parts. Means you have to represent 3 marks. 1, 2 and 3. You have to mark 3 marks. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Then how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts in between 0 and 1. Okay. What will say this numerator after 3, that the numerator value is 3. So after 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, the third equal part is this rational number. The third equal part is this rational number. 1, 2 and 3. This equal part is the rational number. What about these two? This is 3 by 4. This is first equal part means 1 by 4. Second equal part means 2 by 4. Third equal part means 3 by 4. And the fourth equal part is 1. 4 by 4, that is nothing but 1. Okay, clear? And see, if it is negative number, minus 3 by 4. What will happen? Where you have to represent this number? Before the 0 only, because it is negative number. How many parts you have to divide? 4 equal parts means put 3 marks. 1 part, second part, third part and fourth part. Okay. 4 equal parts. And what is the numerator value? 3. So after the 3, after the third mark, then the value is placed. 1, 2, 3. What is this value? Minus 3 by 4. This rational number is placed here. Okay, what about these two? This is the first part. And before 0, you have to write negative numbers, minus 1 by 4. And this is minus 2 by 4. Okay, clear? Have you understood how to represent the rational numbers on the number line? If the numerator value is less than the denominator. Have you understood how to represent the rational number on the number line when the numerator is less than the denominator? Then after watching this video, then practice these two rational numbers on the number line. If you have any doubts, please let me know your doubts on the comment section. Okay? If this video is useful to you, then click on the like button and don't forget to share it to your friends. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in the next video. The number line representation of rational numbers if the numerator value is greater than the denominator.